How to add categories on Godaddy. Want to organize your content better? Let's add categories to your Godaddy site to keep everything neat and searchable. From your Godaddy dashboard, go into your website builder, head to the blog, store or product section, wherever you want to add categories. For blogs, go to the blog manager and you will see a categories tab. Click it, then hit add category. Name your category something meaningful like tips, updates, or lifestyle. For online store, click into store, then tap on products, then categories tab. Hit add category, give it a name, add a description, and even assign it an image if your template supports that. Then when editing products or posts, simply select the category from the drop down. Save and publish your changes. Keep your category name short and SEO friendly to improve visibility. What categories are you adding? Blog topics, product types, or something else? Drop it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.